Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We've almost made it through COVID, Wendy, right?
Yes.
And we're still social distancing. So, got a couple of videos we're shooting today. Video one, this is a black bodybuilder that we started working on back in 09, 08, and we did a scar revision. He had a couple of strips done by a big production house, and he had this scar. And so we cut it out. I think I did a video, maybe posted threads on it way back, and we got him to here. And remember, we had a girl with pretty fingernails that is in the picture. And so we didn't hear from this guy for a long time, and he's got a very distinctive voice. And he called up, and I heard his voice, and I said, "Man, I don't know your name, but you're that bodybuilding guy." And he said, "Yeah." So he wanted to come in, and we put 350 FUEs in his scar a couple of years ago. And then he called up in the middle of COVID and said that he couldn't go to the gym and he wanted to come by and show us. And so here he is. I'll show his before scar, and then what he looks like in the middle of COVID 2020 after scar revision by Wendy and me and 350 FUEs. And he looks fantastic.
Yeah, he likes it.
And what does he want now?
More hair.
Now he wants a little bit more hair. And he doesn't need it. So we'll see what happens.
He has plenty of hair.
Yeah. So in summary, people call all the time asking whether we can put hair into scars. And the answer is that we can do it, and the success rate depends on the quality of your hair. That dude's got big, thick donor hairs.
Has a lot of, yeah.
And the scar's not that bad. So that's why it works so well with him. Somebody that's got very fragile hair and a big leathery scar, it's probably not going to work quite as well.
Yeah, well, you revised it first, I remember.
Yeah.
You cut it out, and then whatever was left, we put in here into it.
Right.
Yeah.
So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.